Calling all tea lovers, you need to try this tea and pastry pairing kit by TJT. Their Tea Time in a Box kit comes with 3 specialty curated teas and 4 kinds of pastries. The best part is this experience is delivered right to your door. They provide you with all the details and simple instructions on how to pair your tea and pastries as well as their origins. I decided to go with the fruit-flavored tea and pastries, and it did not disappoint. The combination of the fruity tea and the pineapple and cream cookies were my absolute favorite. This kit makes for a great gift idea and fun experience to do at home, especially during the cold winter months. So make sure you order your TJT pairing kit today.